Guys, I wanted to show you this neck heating pad that the company sent me. I personally get some pretty bad headaches and some neck issues, so I was really thrilled to get this in, try it out. What I like about it is that it's portable, so instead of like my heating blanket where I have to have it plugged in, this I can put around my neck, and then it's going to provide that heat and that massage that I like to have. And walk around and just like go about my day. So it definitely gets nice and like hot and heated, which I really like. It's rechargeable and it has like the vibration to it also. So it's really nice. You can see the inside. I mean, it feels nice and warm. I love that. So it like really does like penetrate down into the skin and get into my neck and down into those muscles to help like loosen it up like I am looking for. So the material itself is very soft. This is like a fleece. It feels nice. And then the Velcro is strong. I get a lot of these products sent to me, and I do like this one because the Velcro is really nice and strong and it stays put. It doesn't like slide all around. So if you need some extra support, and you know, or maybe a loved one that needs some extra support, this is a great thing to pick up. It's also really straightforward. Sometimes I find that they're too complicated, things like this. So I like that this one is just like push it on, put the power on, put the massage on, put the heat on, turn it off. So super straightforward and simple. Really recommend this, and I'm happy I have it.